Welcome back to another episode of how to delete all temp files in Windows in one click. At first, download the all-in-one temp deleter by the link given below in the description. Let me open the temp folder, then we can see the result clearly. You can see there are many unnecessary files available. Now just open all-in-one temp deleter. Now just press enter as per instruction pop-up. You can see it deleted all unnecessary files. Now it's checking another temp folder. Now all temp files are deleted from your PC. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.